Hey, what's up, my beautiful subscribers? Today, we're going to be talking about something that's pretty close to my heart and probably yours too if you are Indian: gold. Indians have a long-standing tradition of being fond of gold, and it's deeply ingrained in our culture. So, let's dive right in and explore the reasons why Indians are more fond of gold. First and foremost, gold is considered to be a symbol of wealth and prosperity in India. It's a precious metal that has been used for centuries as a form of investment and a means of storing wealth. Many Indians believe that owning gold is a way to secure their future and protect themselves from financial instability. Secondly, gold is also considered to be a symbol of purity and auspiciousness in Indian culture. It's often used in religious ceremonies and festivals as a way of honoring the gods and seeking their blessings. For example, during weddings, the bride is typically adorned with gold jewelry as a symbol of purity and prosperity. Thirdly, gold is a highly coveted metal in India because it's considered to be a status symbol. Owning gold jewelry or ornaments is a way for Indians to showcase their wealth and social status. The more gold a person has, the more respected and admired they are in their community. Indians also have a sentimental attachment to gold. It's often passed down from generation to generation as a family heirloom, and it's considered to be a way of preserving one's family history and traditions. Gold is also viewed as a safe and reliable investment option in India. With a volatile stock market and a weak currency, many Indians prefer to invest their money in gold as a way of protecting their wealth from inflation and economic instability. Gold is a popular gift item in India. It's often given as a present during festivals, weddings, and other special occasions as a way of showing love and appreciation. In fact, the demand for gold spikes during the festival season in India. It is also used in the making of traditional Indian jewelry. India has a rich history of intricate and beautiful jewelry design, and gold is a vital component in the making of such jewelry. It's often used in combination with precious stones and pearls to create stunning pieces of art. Gold is also a significant part of Indian weddings. In fact, it's an essential part of the Sola Shringa, or the 16 adornments that a bride is expected to wear on her wedding day. The bride is often adorned with gold jewelry from head to toe as a symbol of purity, prosperity, and good luck. Indians also believe that gold has healing properties. It's believed to have a positive impact on one's physical and mental health and is often used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat a range of ailments. Gold is also a way of storing value. In times of economic uncertainty or political instability, gold is often used as a means of preserving one's wealth and assets. Gold is also used as a form of currency in India. It's often used in rural areas where access to banking services is limited, and people rely on gold to conduct transactions. It is also a way of showing appreciation and respect. In India, it's common for people to give gold jewelry to teachers, mentors, and other people who have made a significant impact on their lives. Gold is often used as collateral for loans in India. Many people use their gold jewelry as collateral for loans to start businesses, pay for education, or cover other expenses. Gold is a way of diversifying one's portfolio. With the rise of cryptocurrencies and fintech platforms, many people are exploring new investment options. However, gold remains a tried and tested investment option that many Indians still prefer. The demand for gold in India is also driven by the wedding industry. Weddings in India are big, lavish affairs, and the bridal trousseau is often filled with gold jewelry and ornaments. Gold is also seen as a way of showing off one's wealth and social status. It's common for people to wear their gold jewelry to social events and parties as a way of making a statement. Indians also have a cultural affinity for gold. It's seen as a traditional and timeless metal that's always in style. In fact, some Indians believe that gold never goes out of fashion. The rise of e-commerce platforms has made it easier for people to purchase gold online. This has increased the accessibility of gold to a wider audience and has helped to drive the demand for the metal. Gold is often used as a dowry in India. Although dowry is illegal in India, it's still prevalent in many parts of the country. Gold is often given as a part of the dowry to the bride as a way of securing her future. Gold is also seen as a way of preserving wealth across generations. Many families in India have a tradition of passing down their gold jewelry and ornaments from one generation to the next as a way of preserving their wealth and assets. The love for gold in India is also reflected in the country's history. India has a long and rich tradition of using gold in art, architecture, and design. The country's love for gold dates back to ancient times and has only grown stronger over the years. The demand for gold is also driven by the fact that it's a limited resource. Gold is a finite resource, and its availability is limited. This scarcity has helped to drive up its value and make it a desirable investment option. Gold is often seen as a safe haven asset during times of geopolitical instability or economic uncertainty. This has been particularly evident in recent times, with the COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent economic slowdown. Gold is also used in the making of traditional Indian handicrafts. It's often used to create intricate and beautiful designs that showcase India's rich cultural heritage. Finally, gold is a way of expressing one's love and affection. Many Indians believe that gifting gold jewelry to their loved ones is a way of expressing their love and appreciation. It's a timeless and enduring symbol of love that has been used for centuries in Indian culture. So, there you have it, the reasons why Indians are more fond of gold. It's a complex topic, and there are many factors that contribute to the country's love for this precious metal. But one thing is clear, gold has a special place in Indian culture and will continue to be a cherished and valued asset for generations to come. Thank you for sticking with me throughout this video and learning about why Indians are more fond of gold. As you've seen, there are a variety of factors that contribute to India's love for this precious metal, from cultural traditions to economic factors. Regardless of the reason, gold continues to be an important part of Indian culture and an enduring symbol of wealth, prosperity, and love. Whether you're an Indian or simply interested in learning about other cultures, understanding the significance of gold in India can provide a unique insight into this fascinating and diverse country. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and informative content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.